I'm Dr. Reshma Suryavanshi from Vadodara, Gujarat, from Dr. Suryavansh's Pulse Clinic. I am General Secretary, Heritage Foundation, and authorized lecturer for Sujok Therapy from International Sujok Association. The modality today I am going to share with you is known as Sangbang Gong theory, and this modality, this therapy is given by Professor Park Jae-woo from his theory of tri-origin. So this is the base of this theory is from the tri-origin theory, and it works on the principle of that if any blockage in the meridian pathway is cleared, all the problem in our body can be solved. In this theory, we are having 8 vertical lines through which the bioenergy flows into our body, and these 8 vertical lines, if we make a specific posture of a body or a stretching of the body, any problem or any ailment lying on the pathway of that line can be cured. So for example, in this video I am going to share the stretch and the posture of the line V8, vertical line 8. So this vertical line 8 is the center line of the body, and those who are practicing TCM, they know this vertical V8 line as conceptual vessel meridian line. So if you make a proper stretch of this, when you make a stretch of this, you are harmonizing the bioenergy into this specific line, that is the V8, the stretch that I am going to guide you step by step today. Because there are many suggestions from the people that I show in my videos Sujok points and color therapy. So there was a suggestion that why don't I share Sangbang Gong, so that because in this modality your body is only the thing that you need. You don't need any seed, color or anything to give treatment. So this is a very simple modality that anyone in the house can do for themselves. So now talking about the V8 vertical line. So V8 vertical line is the center line of the body and also known as the conceptual vessel meridian line into the TCM. So all the ing organs of our body, the internal organs of our body like lung, brain, heart, liver, spleen and kidney can be, the bioenergy in this ing organs can be harmonized by this stretch. So if you make this stretch, any problem into this ing organs can be harmonized, as well as and you can treat any problem lying in this vertical line. Like if you want to activate the pituitary gland to remain young for a longer period of time, or to balance your hormones, if you want to stimulate the pituitary gland, this stretch is going to give you a wonderful result. Similarly, this line will go from the thyroid gland also. So those people who are suffering from hypothyroid or hyperthyroid, both type of the people can go for this V8 stretch. Then if there is any problem like asthma or something, because it is this line will pass through the chest, center of the chest. So any problem related to breathing also can be harmonized by this stretch of V8. Then hyperacidity or problems related to the uterus and problem related to the genitals can also be cured by making this simple stretch. So V8, when we are making a stretch, one thing you have to keep in the mind that while doing this stretch, you should get a stretching in the hand at this point, which is a V8 point. So when we are making the stretch, you should keep into the mind that you should get stretch at this point. Another thing to keep into the mind is that your center 2 fingers you have to stretch more backwards, so that you get a stretch in between of these 2 fingers also. Second thing, the V8 into our neck, when we make the stretch, the posture of the full body, will make posture of the hand, will be making posture of the neck. So when you make the posture of the neck, the V8 point lies here at the upper neck. So when you are making the stretch of the V8, you are at the upper neck, at center point this, you should get the stretch. So these are the 2 important things that you have to keep in mind, as well as you have to roll your tongue at the root of the upper palate. There you have to touch your tongue, you have to roll your tongue, and if possible little clench your teeth also, so that you get a proper stretch at the neck area. So now let me guide you step by step how to do this V8 stretch from the position neutral. Neutral means when your both full legs are together, this position of the leg is called a neutral position. So you have to be in the neutral position when you have to make this stretch. All of you can do with me. find a comfortable place for you where you can stretch and you have a space so that you can stretch your arms fully. So this is the position which is called as the neutral position. So every one of you have to be in the neutral position to make this stretch. From this neutral position, you have to go to the hetero position. That is, you have to take your left leg out. How much out? Parallel to your shoulder, like this. So this is the hetero position. Once you are in the hetero position, then you have to make the stretch of V8 line. So the stretch you have to make of the hand and the neck. When the hand and neck full posture is made, you have to breathe for 4 times in the line V8, right? The center line. So how you will make the stretch is, so you have to take your left hand. First we start with the left hand and take this left hand out slowly and then stretch it from the shoulder as much as you can. After that, you have to concentrate on your wrist. Take your wrist back. You have to get a stretch at this point V8 and as well as between these two fingers. For that, you have to stretch your fingers backside and then slowly you have to take your hand parallel to your shoulders like this. So it should be parallel to your shoulders. Keep stretching your from here you can stretch it out. From the wrist also you can stretch it back and your fingers so that you get a proper stretch at the V8. So the whole line V8 will be getting the bioenergy and there will be a harmonization of the energy into the line V8 when you are making the stretch. For the stretch of the neck, roll your tongue and then you have to stretch this upper neck and clench your teeth little to make a stretch. Stretch it as much as you can. Stretch it till your threshold limit. And slowly you have to come back. Coming back slowly is very important because you are working onto the bioenergy. Slowly release your neck, slowly release your finger, slowly release your hand and come back to your position neutral. So this is, we have done the stretch of V8 and when you have made the full stretch, at the stretching position only you have to breathe 4 times and then come back. Now we will be doing the right side and we will remain at the position and do breathing also. So for doing V8 right, leg you have to, the leg you have to do in the hetero position is left only. So left like this is in the hetero position. Stretch your right arm, stretch it from the shoulders, wrist back. Here you should get the stretch and between these two fingers. Once you get that pull, slowly take it to the parallel to the shoulder and the body like this, 90 degree, and then make the stretch of the neck. You should make this area tight, and when you are fully done, breathe for 4 times. Visualize your breathing into the line V8, the center line V8. Breathe for 4 times. After you are done, slowly come back, slowly release your neck, slowly release your fingers, slowly release your hands and come back to the neutral position. So this is the stretch that we have done for V8. Slowly we will make videos for another lines also. So keep doing this V8 line and let us know what benefit you got from it. Even our patient, those who are having migraine problems, thyroid problem, have been benefited with this. Uterus fibroid patient have also been benefited by doing this stretch. As well as I said that it is harmonizing the energy of all the yin organs also. So please keep on doing this stretch every day, every single day, and let us please let us know the benefits that you are reaping from this. Keep watching my videos. Thank you so much.